Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
After hours of arguments over the bail application of Genito Cardozo in Rama Kankonkar attempt to murder case, the special court at Mercedes has finally rejected the bail plea of Genito Cardozo. It was contention of Genito Cardozo advocate that he has not been directly named by the victim Rama Kankonkar in this case, nor he has raised any suspicion about Genito's role, and police has arrested Genito Cardozo merely on the basis of the confessional statement by the co-accused in this matter, which is not admissible before the court. Opposing the bail plea of Genito Cardozo, the prosecution contended that the investigation is in preliminary stage, and if Genito is granted bail at this stage, he can tamper with the evidences and he can threaten the victim's family or any witness in this case. The prosecution further contended that Genito has deleted his WhatsApp account, which clearly indicates that he is involved in the case, and with intention to destroy the evidence, he has deleted his WhatsApp account. The court has allowed Rama Kankonkar to intervene in this bail application. His advocate contended that Genito has a long history of violence and he has been involved in 9 cases, out of which he has been convicted in Sridao case in which 2 persons were killed, and recently the High Court has also upheld the trial court's verdict convicting Genito Cardozo in this case. Replying to the contention of Rama Kankonkar, Genito's advocate contended that SLP has been filed before the Supreme Court challenging the High Court's order in Sridao case. But court seems that though the detailed order is yet to come, but it seems that court is convinced that it is not right stage to grant Genito Cardozo bail. Hence, the bail application of Genito Cardozo has been dismissed. With Sahil Mandrekar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.